Hey, you can call me Harley. Last year hurt me badly. I lost many things, but life kept going, right? So did I. After crying a lot, I decided to stand up, start again, and rebuild. Even just tiny steps, little by little. At least I didn't give up on myself. You know, it was scary at first, but day by day I got used to it. And I truly believe everything gonna be better. Now I have myself. I believe in her. And we have each other. Keep going.